13.8 billion years ago, the blank page of the universe exploded in creating stars, the planets, the sun, the moon, the earth, us. The Big Bang, the singularity, the first downbeat of the universe. We are still awash in that vibration. As Carl Sagan would say, the nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, the iron in our blood, and the carbon in our apple pies were made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff. When we talk of drones, we must talk of vibration. We are vibration. All is made up of movement and vibration. Vibration is one of the ordering principles of the universe, and it's one of its greatest mysteries. As we explore the drone and its vitality, we'll have the power to bridge ourselves to our interior worlds. The synergy of vibration, known as rhythm, is what is important here. The rhythm of the trees, the rhythm of the streams, the rhythm of drums, and the rhythm of the drone. It's all about synergy. This is the yoga of it all. How things work with each other. The balance between right and left brain, and the balance between your body and your mind. These have to be entrained. They have to be working together. They have to be in rhythm. Rhythm is everything. When you are out of rhythm, things don't go so well. That's what the drone does. It gives you a center where all your rhythms can come from.